I'm John, I'm a wine grower. The name Circulus Wine came about, firstly, my own personal story, coming back full circle to what I wanted to do when I was much younger. Secondly, we're surrounded by water here, so this microclimate that we have on the Bellarine Peninsula is actually quite unique. And the third part is the sustainability component of what we do here. We sell some of our fruit to other award-winning winemakers in the region. We also produce, make, bottle and distribute our wine through our online store as well as to on-premise retailers such as wine bars and restaurants. My journey with the Melbourne Innovation Centre started a couple of years ago. What I found really helpful was that they would pair me up with a mentor, and that mentor would give me advice about how I would engage with social media applications, how I'd get my message across. I think the process has just been a joy. It's really helped me develop my business. It's helped me get increase in sales. It's been an educational experience as well too, for me to kind of learn about how to use social media. And also for me to be accountable to another person, I think has helped me execute faster and probably a little bit more efficiently than I would have done on my own. I think what this has done is actually open up a whole lot of other possibilities. Now that I know a little bit, I'm probably a little bit dangerous, that I can kind of do things that I probably would have never thought of doing previously because I've got that higher level of confidence to push my story out.